Hey guys, what's up? It's Elise. This is the Crunchy Ginger. It's my YouTube channel where every week I share a tip, a trick, or a DIY to help you live a little greener and save a little money. And every month I get a subscription in the mail to MightyFix. It is a subscription program from MightyNest.com. Every month you get a surprise sustainable gift for your home or your kitchen or your body, and you also can add things to your order and get free shipping. So I like to add a few other things, and this box is enormous. This is by far the largest looking MightyFix I've ever gotten, and I know why it is. There's something in here that I'm so excited to open, and I can't wait to show you what it is also. So let's dive in. Now, you guys, I'm not going to lie to you. It is July 2020, and it is hot. So please forgive me. I'm feeling a little crumpled. It's like 90 degrees, and there's no air conditioning in here, so, you know. But it's not going to be any better tomorrow, so I figured we would just go for it today. All right, let's check this out. They've always got this sustainable packaging in here, so you'll never find any plastic bubbles or air pocket thingies. Okay, so we'll start with a few of the things that I know are in here. This is the Thinksport deodorant. I get this every month for my husband. It's aluminum free. It's an all natural deodorant. This one though is a different fragrance than we usually get because they were out of the one we usually have. The one we usually get, it's I think like bergamot, cedarwood, but this one is currant and grapefruit. Oh, it smells good. It's kind of, it's not quite as citrusy as I would have thought. Like I do smell the grapefruit, but I do smell, the currants are the kind of berry smell from the currants are coming through too. That's sort of nice. It's sort of refreshing for the summer, so hopefully he likes this one. I have been thinking about trying to make my own deodorant, some DIY recipes that I've got my eye on. Perhaps July, 90 degrees is not the time to try that out for the first time. In the meantime, this one is working really well. He likes this one. All right, let's see what else. Every month I get this as well. This is the Meliora dish soap bar. You have heard me rave about this if you've watched any of my other MightyFix unboxing videos because this stuff it's my favorite. Whoa. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like lemonade, and it's just a dish soap bar. So instead of using the plastic bottle for the dish soap, you just have this little guy, and you rub your sponge, your brush right on that. Makes a perfect lather. You don't use too much because you're not squeezing all of that out. You don't have all that plastic waste. I highly, highly recommend this. I get it every month, and it is probably one of my favorite products that I've discovered through MightyNest. And also, this brand Meliora makes amazing products. So I've used several things of theirs, and I recommend all of them. Okay, the next thing that's in here, this is my MightyFix. I have no idea what this is. Feels cylindrical. Let's check it out. It's a little bit heavy. Oh! Hey! Meliora. So I know I'm going to love this because I love this brand. This is a gentle home cleaning scrub, peppermint tea tree. Okay, so this seems like it's probably some sort of like natural Ajax kind of replacement. I usually use pure straight up baking soda for that kind of stuff. So we'll see if this is any better. There's also something else in here. I know what this is. These are walnut shell scrubber pads. They're Scour pads, and I actually already purchased these. I buy these on a regular basis, and we love them. I switched to these, I don't know, maybe 6 months or so ago because I started getting really freaked out by those blue scrubber sponges, and like one time I accidentally left one sitting in the dishwasher and came back and the water was blue. Why is it blue? Why does it need to be blue? I don't know, but it really sicked me out. And so I went searching for a natural scrubber sponge. And these guys work great. They are very gentle on your dishes. So I'm not upset that I got another package of these because I do buy them on a regular basis. This is the first time I've gotten something as my fix that's actually two different products. The fix costs $11 a month, and you generally get something that's above that value. So I'm guessing that one of these products, I know this one usually costs, I hesitate to say the wrong price, but I want to say it's like in the $4 range. So these must sort of equal above the $11 mark. And by the way, if you are interested in trying out MightyFix, I actually have a coupon code for you. I will leave a link in the description box below. You just click on that link and you'll use the code MightyNow. So MightyNow, it's going to give you your first fix for $3 a month. So you can check it out, no obligation, and take advantage of all the free shipping on anything else that you want to get. You can always cancel at any time, but I've had mine for, I don't know, maybe a year or so now, and I am still really loving it. Okay, every month your fix comes with a little card to kind of tell you about your product. It always says, your MightyFix is here. And then it tells you what this is. Thank you for joining us in making one meaningful change 1 month at a time. It's the whole motto of the MightyFix. This month's MightyFix is a hardworking duo, Meliora Gentle Home Cleaning Scrub and Full Circle Walnut Shell Scour Pads. Meliora cleaning products are made by a wife and husband team with simple, non-toxic ingredients that are tough on dirt, grease, and soap scum while safe for your body and home. Full Circle Walnut Shell and recycled plastic scour pads provide added scrubbing power that's both gentle and effective, as well as durable and reusable. Put this pair together and you have a wonderful scrubbing team, sure to keep your kitchen and bathroom shiny, fresh, and clean. And then there's some more facts on the back about these products. I kind of want to take a little sniff of this. Let's open this guy up. It says it's peppermint and tea tree, and I'm like gonna not be able to get this open. I love the smell of the lemon essential oil in this soap bar so much, so I'm kind of thinking that this is probably also gonna smell good. I'm probably gonna spill this all over the place when I open this container. Yeah, pepperminty. It is super pepperminty. You know what? Like, you wouldn't. You get this, you're gonna want to keep it away from your kids because it really smells like peppermint candy. It says you wet the surface, sprinkle the scrub, rub a wet sponge, cloth, and rinse. So cool. Very cool. What's it got in it? Baking soda, vegetable soap, peppermint, and tea tree. So this is really just kind of like a mixture of soap and baking soda. Boy, it really does smell good. So this is this month's fix. Now, there's one last thing in here that I'm so excited. Next month is actually both of my little boys' birthdays, and I have, my oldest is turning 5. I can't believe he's turning 5. It feels like just yesterday and the day before and the day before that. I was in labor for 3 days, and now he's almost 5. But MightyNest also has some toys, some sustainable toys, and I saw this on their website. It is a puzzle. He's super into puzzles lately, and this is called the Monster Jam Decoder puzzle. And it says it comes with this little mask that you use to reveal hidden objects in the puzzle. How cute is this? It's 100 pieces, so he's just kind of at the age where he's like getting into puzzles this size, and he's so proud when he puts them together. And so I think this is going to be a really big hit. Plus, it doesn't have batteries or a screen. I really want to open it, but it's like for his birthday. I wonder if I can open it without it seeming like it's open. Let me see if I can slip the lid off a little bit. I'm really curious to see what this like hidden picture situation is. Oh no, it's taped shut. Should I open it? No. My husband says no. My husband says no. But I promise I will come back and leave a review for this product once he has opened it. You complete the puzzle and then use the included decoder mask to find objects hidden in the silly scene. So cute. So I have been trying to go back and update with little mini reviews in the comments of my previous MightyFix YouTube videos. So I will be sure to do that as well once I have checked this product out and once I have had a chance to see this one in action. That is it for this month, for July 2020. If you are interested in the MightyFix, please use my link below. Get your fix for $3 for your first month. Check it out for yourself. It really does help to make small changes to live a little greener and save a little money. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Stay cool.